Good morning guys, Nicole here, your Go to Bulacan Realtor. Guys, today is very special. We're gonna do another site orientation sa Samanian at Paradise Farms by Rockwell Land Incorporated. Guys, alam nyo kung nasan ako? Ang ganda, no? So, ito lang naman ang very first high-end or class hotel. Ang pangalan nito ay Hotel Savano. Dito yan, guys, sa San Jose del Monte, Bulacan, sa Savano Park near SM. So, from here, it's about 10 minutes drive to 10 to 15 minutes drive to Rockwell sa Manian. Okay, kasi may dalawang way dun eh. Pwede kang mag-Quirino Highway yung papuntang Star Mall, or pwede ka rin dito sa Tungko, dadaan ka. Meron din ditong daan sa Paradise Farms to get to the project site. 'Di ba guys? Oh, ayan no, alam nyo kung ikaw ay bago sa'yo ang San Jose del Monte, ngayon ka palang pupunta dito, tapos gusto mo mag-invest dito sa Rockwell kasi nga malapit sa Quezon City, tas nandito yung mga malalaking projects, MRT7, 'di ba? And everything else, 'di ba guys? So, eto guys, pwede ka dito mag-check-in sa Hotel Savano. This is not a paid promotion ha. Pero it's kasi ito sa mga class hotel dito na pwede nyong pagstayan. Kung halimbawang 2 days, 1 night, or 3 days, 2 nights, gusto nyong i-explore ang San Jose del Monte, Bulacan, dahil nga ito yung gusto nyong pinili nyong future retirement home or place, 'di ba? Excited na ba kayo guys? Samahan nyo ako today. Pupunta tayo ng Samanian at Paradise Farms by Rockwell Land. So guys, ngayon meron tayong brokers event. Ayan. Sige ba, say hi ang mga poging Rockwell representative natin. Yan yung mamimit nyo online guys pag nag-Zoom presentation tayo, 'di ba? So eto, Samanian at Paradise Farms, the Northern Expedition. Ayan. Ito kasi yung way pag nanggaling ka ng shortcut ka, SM San Jose del Monte sa Tungko. Tapos meron pa to yung sa main road niya, yung sa Igay Road na mas malawak pa dito yung kalsada. Tapos marami pang improvement yan. So maganda po yung mga kalsada natin dito guys. So ayan, meron tayong brokers event and ongoing land development. To kita nyo naman, 'di ba? Forestry kagubatan. Ito po ay nature friendly. Kaya para kami mga mag-hike, tignan mo yung aming mga attire guys. Ayan, okay? Kaming hiking. Ayan. Baka akala nyo puputulin tong mga puno na to guys ha. Hindi po. Yung mga malalaki at matatanda ng puno dito, i-retain natin yan para sa ating kalikasan. Syempre, kaya nga nature friendly yung team ng ating Rockwell, Samanian at Paradise Farms. Kauna-unahang Rockwell sa Bulacan. Kaya very proud to be, 'di ba? San Joseño, San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. Ayan siya guys. So ganito po talaga siya guys. Raw yan raw video, 'di ba? I'm gonna show you more later guys kasi i-vlog ko talaga itong aming gagawing hike for our project. At saka may mga updates ako mamaya. Kaya stay tuned and don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel. Syempre ha, hindi yung puro nood lang. Subscribe din po pag may time. Kahit saan ka mang sulok ng mundo. Okay? Karamihan ng mga clients ko dito guys, based abroad po sila. Mga OFW, mga immigrants, ayan, gusto nila yung malapit sa Manila, sa Quezon City, pero at the same time, gusto nila yung talagang tahimik at kagubatan. Pero, malapit ka lang sa lahat ng kailangan mo, like SM, Star Mall, MRT7, private hospitals, private schools, and everything, and private, and all the establishment na essential, 'di ba guys? So, ayun, look at that. Let's go guys, I'm so excited. Ito yung tinatawag nilang spine road. Oh. Ito yung magiging itsura. So, imaginein mo yan, guys. So, sa mapa, ito siya. Ito yung kabuang mapa ng 110 hectare. Siyempre, kailangan magpa-schedule ka ng Zoom presentation para mas clear mo siyang maintindihan. Pero at least meron ka ng overview dito pa lang sa video, 'di ba? So, ito guys, ganito siya. Ito yung sa Igay Road banda na road. Tapos ito pa yung isang road niya. Marami po siyang access road, 110 hectare. Phase 3, sa February, magpa-line up ka na, ngayon pa lang. Ito, 8 na lang or less yung natitira sa phase 2. Sold out na po yan lahat. Mabilis siyang ma-sold out. Dito yung magbubuksan yung Rockwell Retail Store. Dito siya. Ayan siya guys. Ha? Pero ipipresent namin yan via Zoom para mas malinaw. And then, ito, yan Main Spine Road. Diba guys, nakita niyo kung gaano kaganda yan? Ridge view. artist illustration. Ang ibig sabihin ng ridge view, pag pumili ka kasi ng lot dito, merong ridge, merong prime, regular. Pag ridge, yung mga ganito yung pwede mong ipagawa. Pag ridge yung napili mong lot, pwede ka maging creative. You can design your house same as like this one, 'di ba? So ganun siya. And here, may enjoy mo yung pagbabike tsaka pagha-hike kasi ganito yung magiging view mo. Yan, dito yan. I-maintain natin yung kagandahan ng Paradise Farms, ng area. Hindi po natin yung kakalbuhin. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Bawal po yun. So, ayan po yung ating amphitheater. Ayan. Multi-purpose court. Ito po ay mga artist perspective. O, magkakaroon tayo ng glamping area. Yan. And here, glamping dining terrace. So, clubhouse, syempre dapat, dahil Rockwell yan, kailangan international level yung clubhouse niya. Kala mo nasa ibang lugar ka, no? Kala mo nasa ang tawag dito? Yung Maldives. Oh. San Jose del Monte lang yan, guys. Okay, Rockwell lang yan. So, wala tayo sa Palawan or anything. Pero ganun kasi kaganda ang kanyang magiging vibes. Yan, oh. 'Di ba, guys? Kaya ikaw yung tipong, ayan, oh. Tingnan mo, look at this view, oh. May mountain ranges view, oh. Kasi, guys, ano yan eh, ikaw naman yung magde-design ng bahay mo kasi lot only lang yung bibilihin mo, 'di ba? So, may freedom ka to design yung gusto mong mangyari. So, ayan, nakita nyo, very siya, modern but with the touch of our Philippine culture, 'di ba? Yun yung design niya, artist perspective niya. Kasi Rockwell needs no introduction. This is like ko ang sinasabi, 'di ba? Many are called, but few are chosen to own a piece of Rockwell in San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. Ayan, guys. Later on, ayan, magkakaroon tayo ng kaunting hike para makita nyo talaga dito sa area. Tsaka doon sa bandang phase 1, guys, dine-develop na rin doon. Ayan. So, ganito po ka-natural ang ating Paradise Farms sa Manian by Rockwell Land. Okay, guys, so samahan nyo ako, guys, sa gagawin nating hike today. I'm so excited.
Or you yourselves can imagine na eventually this is going to be a road na dito it's that spanning the entirety of the 110 hectares. Okay? Let's go.
Sa March, around March, the launch na namin siya.
Phase 3 na to, guys, ha? Phase 3.
Parang a total of mga 200.
We're launching next month.
Mga ganun.
Here, this to your left is already phase 3. Okay, so this is part of the phase that we're gonna be launching sometime this year. And then to your right here is still actually phase 7. If you go straight here, this is still part of the main spine road. If you go straight, to your right is now going to be phase 6. But to your left is still phase 3. Okay, so phase 3 is pretty big. And right now, we're gonna cut through phase 3 already. So we're gonna move away na from the main spine road.
Pakita ka kay sir yun.
Malalaman natin kung meron. This is also planned to be the location of our amphitheater. So this area is what we call the Samanea Grove. So for those who don't know...
So, guys, we're still hiking through the inside of Samanian at Paradise Farms. Look how amazing and magnificent this side project is. Look at those palm trees. Massive, amazing.
You take your photos
Beautiful.
here because we're about to exit na.
Do you guys want a photo na...
So, guys, ayan, Dahil pa-uphill na tayo, may konting hingal na ang ating pag-hike. Pero kitang-kita nyo naman guys, I still have all the energy to take this video and show you the magnificent, extraordinary, ganun, incomparable. Wow, look at those palm trees, guys. This is dito lang naman yung future neighborhood niya. Most of my clients here, just to give you an idea, if they're not investors, they are immigrants. So based abroad from US, Canada, Europe, mga Filipinos na qualified pa rin to own a land in the Philippines. So formerly natural born Filipinos. Diba? Ayan guys. So Rockwell is fast selling in terms of slots kasi ano siya it doesn't need too much marketing. Kusa siyang binibili at pinapakyaw ng mga investors. Kaya kung talagang interested ka, let's do your online Zoom presentation as soon as possible. Because believe it or not, it's really selling fast, 100%. So yun nga yung viewing deck. Meron siyang dito, yung viewing deck na yun, di pa siya under construction pa siya. Pero once ready na yan, magba-vlog update ako dito guys, I'll let you know. Yan.
So that's also one of the highest points in phase 3.
Yeah.
Imagine kung may lote ka dyan, you get to look at all of this.
Exactly.
Guys, that's the view. You're right.
There you have it guys, our hike is over and diba? Very life-changing. Life-changing hike from yours truly, your one and only realtor in the area of Bulacan. So, kung pag-usapang Rockwell sa Manian at Paradise Farms, guys, wala ka nang kailangan kontakin, kundi ako lang. My name is Nicole. And always flashing on the screen naman yung aking Viber WhatsApp number. Just mention Rockwell San Jose del Monte or sa Manian, and then gawin agad kitang VIP, schedule agad kita ng Zoom presentation para mas magkaroon ka ng idea sa ating kabuuan ng ating project. Kasi syempre malaking proyekto, 110 hectare development to guys. Pakita ko yung ongoing, itong phase 1. Oh. Yan oh, kanyang land dev. Ayan. So may land dev na tayo dito guys. Dahil lot only lang dito, kailangan lang naman ma-set yung land development, 'di ba? Tsaka pre-selling naman siya. So, you know what it means pag pre-selling. O, 'di ba guys? Dami kaming nag-hike ngayon. It's so fun and amazing. I hope to see you all soon guys. Kahit online muna yan kung ikaw ay nasa ibang panig ng mundo. I just wanna show you guys yung ongoing land development ng ating Phase 1, Cluster 1. Okay? So, ayan guys ha. You've seen it first! Walang iba kundi sa YouTube channel ng one and only your realtor here in Bulacan, Rockwell, Bulacan. It's me, Nicole. I'm showing you guys yung ating, ano to ha, January 28 ngayon. So kung ma-upload ko to in a like after 2 days, ganun. Depende guys. Pero wow guys. Time check 11, 5 minutes before 11. Pero nakita niyo yung hangin. Hindi ko binayaran yung hangin na yan guys ha. O diba? O, ongoing ang ating land development, 'di ba? Can you see how elevated our area is, 'di ba? Kasi syempre ano naman talaga 'to eh. Kaya nga siya Paradise Farms, mountainous. Ayan. 'Di ba guys? Magnificent, amazing.